after creating this site collection, we will create the list that will be the subject of our workflow. So we will go to lists and create. We will select the custom list template. So I will create a custom list template. I will call it leave requests container, for example. Okay, and I will create the needed fields. As we know, we have a leave request that has the from, which is from day, which is a date. Okay, from date, and it's I prefer not to have things required, but it's okay if you make it required or not. Of course, it's not unique, and it will contain the day only, and by default it will have the today's date. We'll create the second column, which is the to, because every leave has a from and to date. It's to date, and the same, it will be today. We can, if you want to do something like this, today +1 or something like this, but I will just keep it today for the purpose of this demonstration. So after that, I need to have the team leader. You need to add your team leader. It is of type people, and we can make it of course it's required, but I will not add it. It will not allow multiple selections, and we can make it select from specific SharePoint group if we already have in our business the group for team leaders, the group for blah, but at the end, for our purpose, I will just keep it all users. Same, I will have the HR, the human resource. The human resource will be also the same people, and it will be the yes, no, okay, all users and so on. After that, we will create the employees comment, which is normally the reason of the leave request. It's a multiple line text, okay, which will be maybe the reason of the leave request. It's not required, it's just enhanced rich text and keep everything as default. And of course we have the team leader comments, which is the same, multiple line. Same team leader comments, nothing new. And we will have also the human resource comments. Which is also a multiple line text and everything as it is. So that's the needed information for this tutorial. As you can see, I can get a clue from the previous published document, which contains these values to be in and out. However, we will create new types of new fields, which are the action, which is the action that will be sent from the action user, which are, I will use SE, submitted employee, which is approve team leader, reject team leader, approve HR, reject HR, which are the 5 probabilities of our business process. That are the 5 actions that are available, and I will not keep any. I will remove the from the default. and I will have the three, which a new column called the state. This state will be managed through the business process according to the business. It's also a choice. We have three states for state of the workflow, which will be waiting at the beginning. It will be null or empty. Then it will be waiting team leader, waiting human resource, and done if the process is already done. And after that I will go and click OK. So that are the fields that's needed for our demonstration.